What's up, y'all? SCS back with another one. Y'all seen I got the attachment off this thing, which is great, like great. And then I did a little cleaning, not like a pressure washing cleaning, but like a cleaning on all the straw, dirt, leaves, and all that stuff that was in there. So today I'm gonna go ahead and give it a pressure wash, and then hopefully tomorrow when the grading guy come, he could give me a hand with his machine lifting this the lift cylinders all the way up, and then I can put something in between to make it stay up so I can get the lift cylinders out. So crazy part, man, I remember when I went to Bobcat, I'm finna put some fuel in here while I'm talking. I remember I went to Bobcat and asked for the rebuild kit for the tilt and lift cylinders. They both was $100+. So I just Googled this machine and tilt cylinder and put it on Amazon, and literally it's up there, $20. They both like $22 a piece. And I was like, dang, $22? And they charging $100+ for a rebuild kit. Just didn't understand it, but hey, you don't get to understand everything these days. So we got the diesel going in. Those two are the first two things I want to try to get rebuilt. Tilt and lift cylinders. But for now, I'm going to give it a good cleaning so I can take it off and get my trailer free. Try to always keep my trailer free. Wonder if I can see how much fuel in here. This whole cab, some bolted. Let me see. It's gonna have to come up so I can access the control valve at the time. Let's see if it come up. Yep, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the whole thing gonna come up. See, clean as much as I can. Get a wasp nest in here. But this control valve right here. No. Where is it? Right there. I'm gonna have to take that off. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the motor out. I was told that you could rebuild it from here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to take the motor out. But that's no problem, as long as we can get it done. Shoot, save some money, man. This video is brought to you in part by SCS. Nah, for real though, man. Super Clean contact me for a sponsorship, but we ain't get the stuff yet, and this would have been a good time to get it. So for now, we don't stick with the normal awesome. So I accepted 2 sponsorships, believe it or not. One from Super Clean and one from a battery jump spot. But we'll see how it goes. don't understand how someone could let their machine, like, it's something that you use to make money, how they could let it get so dirty. This thing was just absolutely filthy. Here I come. Like, I'm about to do another spray. And look, this is all that came out the back, and it's still coming. I'm about to drill the hole bigger. Drill all of them bigger, so that stuff will just come out instead of clogging up and collecting like that. But I'm gonna spray it a couple more times, and then we'll keep pressure washing. Now, we should have some oven cleaner, because this for sure will come up like the second spray. It's my third spray on the machine, man. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and start it. I wasn't trying to. I'm gonna have to start it and take it off, because I don't see how I'm gonna take it off. What I did last time took so long to do, but yeah, I'm gonna get it running just to do that. So I took the battery out, charge it, make sure it's good. It clicked, the starter clicked, so that's a plus. But I'm gonna keep getting it cleaned up best I can, and then shoot, that's how I'm gonna get it off the trailer. Check the battery, make sure it still got some juice for me. But yeah, got my drill. Pull my drill out, make a bigger hole real quick. Put this back where it go. That worked phenomenally. Surprisingly, now we can hopefully get some. Oh, I'll cut the water off. Okay, so while I was trying to get it started, they done burnt my start out, man. It's crazy. Like, no matter what I do, like maybe something going on, but nah, the motor rotate fine. Starter just click. Rotate fine. So, yeah, that's pretty shitty. Man, I should know we took it up there. I had to pay for the tow, then pay $550. All to get my machine back worse than what it was. Right, so I ain't even get a good pressure washer. Like, they charge you to wash your stuff. They didn't even wash it, man. $500, they ain't do nothing. Tighten up a battery cable. This is sad, bro. So, yeah, lesson learned. For real, I'm not going to no shops no more. Unless I absolutely have to, like for that Mercedes, that's it. I'm not going to no shops. This getting out of control, man, for real. So I'm gonna buy another starter, man, before I even buy the other stuff. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get this off. But at least when I put the new one on, it's clean for me. And then I know this hose right here gotta be replaced. Yep, y'all see it. Other than that, I don't know. That's shitty. I think they blocked this fuel off, but I don't know. Cause this come from the pump around, and this goes to something. So I don't think you go right there. Yeah, go right here. I see it now. Yeah, they blocked it off. So they did that and tightened the battery cables on, because I know that it wasn't tight. But now the motor don't even turn with the key. It's crazy, man. Ripped off broad daylight. I get to ordering some stuff. Got a second battery in here, just to be certain. Oh, never mind. Guess we good. So, battery was low. It showed all the cranking nails though, so we're gonna put it on charge. So that's a plus. I'm gonna connect this fuel back, and we're gonna try to dry this thing off. It just took me forever to get this thing running. I'm gonna try to get it off